What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I appreciate you tuning in once again. I got the shoes in the boxes because I had a little bit of flooding down here, so I didn't want the shoes to start stinking up, so I just put them in the boxes. Guys, I have a massive sneaker haul. I've just been accumulating a ton of sneakers over the last week, and I'm gonna start it off with the banger and I'm gonna end it with the banger. So you guys stay tuned because I'm gonna do a little comparison with a shoe that just came out. So starting off right on top here, you guys, I traded a pair of UNC ones and a pair of Syracuse Dunk highs for these right here. And that's a great way, you guys, if you're looking for expensive shoes, these run for like 600, and instead of paying 600, I got a retail pair of UNCs and a Syracuse Dunk and traded for these Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s, you guys. These things are beautiful. Let me read to you what it says on the inside real quick. It says, this award is nice, but I just feel it's very important for each individual to go out and contribute to the team, MJ. And then on the other flap, it's got 1984 to 85 Rookie of the Year, 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. These shoes are insane. I love the leather on it, tumbled. The brown or the tan is suede, and the swoosh is even tumbled on here even. And this right here, Nike Air tab on the tongue. These things are so nice, you guys, so nice. I'm really happy to add these ones to the collection. I had my eye on them. Shout out to Joy and Joy Smoke Shop because he had these sitting in his store here locally, and I was able to trade a couple pairs for these. So really excited to start the video off with those. Really happy to have those. And this is not a sneaker, you guys, but I haven't showed this on the channel yet. When Kai Somar and Tony and Bull, they released this sneaker cleaning kit right here, and I got the exclusive black box, you guys. Check it out right here, sneaker cleaning. And I'm probably gonna keep this DS because it's just a limited black box, and I haven't showed it on the channel before, so I thought I'd show you guys that. This is pretty dope right here. Really happy for those guys. They started their own company, but this is a grade school pair that I just got in the mail today. It took a minute for it to come in, but Mother's Day is coming up soon, and this is a 6.5Y, which is an 8 in women, and I definitely might gift these to my significant other. Check it out, you guys, the UNC 4s. They just came out recently, and I'm really happy to have these as well. Really nice. Check it out. Bottoms, Jumpman on the back. You got the speckled midsole. You know, you got the nice tongue here with like a little flap here. Super nice 4s, you guys. Really crazy 4s. And very similar to another shoe that I'm gonna bust out here soon, but these came out today. Actually, I was able to cop a couple pairs, and this is the Jordan 11 Legend Blue, you guys. I wasn't able to get the 2014 highs, but I got my hands on these lows that just came out today. Literally really clean right there. Jumpman on the back, icy bottoms. You know, this screams summer. All white, and I love an all white shoe, so these might go on feet. We'll see. Really happy to have these as well. Throw them down here, and I'm gonna go with a banger, you guys. This is a banger. I got these off of Soul Steals. They're not my size, but I might keep them in the collection. We'll see. But it's the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. I had them in the past and I sold them. This is a 8.5. In the past I had a 10.5. So these I might be able to squeeze my feet into these, but they might hurt. But you guys already know what it is with the Travis Scott Lows. These things are sick. I got the highs back here. This one's got the extra laces, you know, red, pink, and black right there. Super sick Travis Scott Lows, you guys. I have a ton of bangers in this video, you guys, so stay tuned. I don't even know where to put all my shoes. This next shoe right here is, I hit on another pair of patinas. I was able to cop a pair of patinas in store like a while back when they came out on Jimmy Jazz, but I did hit on sneakers for a second pair right here. I got the other one in the box somewhere. This is a size 10, the other one's a size 9. So it's not really a hype sneaker, but I think over time it's definitely gonna go up because it's a Jordan 1. This is like a semi, you know, it's a GR, but it's Zion Williamson's first signature sneaker, you guys. I had to order these. They actually sold out, pretty much on Nike.com. You might be able to find them on some other websites, but I think in like, what, 5-10 years from now, not even that, like, I think Zion will be the face of the NBA, if you ask me. There's his initials right there on the tongue, and he's got Zion right there, running back right there, icy bottoms. Really light shoe for a big man shoe. I really like these, actually. I tried them on and they're kind of tight on the midfoot, so I don't know, but I got on GOAT and they're actually reselling for a teeny bit, so surprising that a first signature shoe for Zion is reselling a little bit. That's actually pretty cool though. Really, really cool for a second year player to be, you know, already reselling his shoe. So this right here, you guys, I also got off of Soul Steals. I sold my last pair, so I had to get another pair. This one's probably going to stay on the shelf, and it's another pair of Chunky Dunkies, you guys. You guys already know. You've seen these a million times, but I had to get battery level low on my camera over here, guys, so I'm going to just show you on this right here. But yeah, Chunky Dunkies, you guys, really sick. Definitely going to keep on the shelf this time. And last but not least, I ended up getting 2 men's pairs of the UNC4s, you guys. Here they are. You've probably seen them already a ton of times. I showed you the grade school pairs that I got. But this right here, I want to do a comparison with a shoe that I have right here. And you already might know what I'm going to bust out. But it's a shoe that looks very similar to it. And it's the Travis Scott Jordan 4, you guys. So check out these right here. Travis Scott 4 and UNC 4. And this one's a little bit more of a sky blue, baby blue. This one, I can't really, I don't know, it's very close, but you know, Cactus Jack is on this one right here, Jumpman back on the back on this one. You know, you got the hang tag here, you got the flight here, you got the flight on here, Travis Scott on the inside on here. On this one, you got Air Jordan. But I don't know, tell me you guys think in the comment section, which do you prefer? I know this is hype because it's like $1,000 and these are like, what, around $350 depending on size. But I don't know, guys. Like, I know hype beats everything pretty much, but I'm really digging these right here. I'm really digging them. You know, just, you know, it might be a GR, but for some reason I really dig these right here. So yeah, you guys, I think I just prefer the mesh, the blue mesh over the black mesh, but don't get me wrong, they're still sick. So anyway, tell me you guys think in the comment section. You know, I just started a second gig. Like I started a part-time job, and I'm gonna be buying even more sneakers, and I'm gonna be giving away again really soon, you guys. So if you made it to the end of the video, stay tuned for another giveaway. Probably gonna announce it really soon. And yeah, I'm hoping to get my hands on a pair of sneakers that are coming out really soon, so I can give it to you guys or give it to one of you guys. So stay tuned for that. And got another really insane pair of shoes coming in, you guys. You're not gonna believe it when you see it. I can't believe I pulled the trigger on them. So I just have to work that much harder, so you know I can keep this video, or sorry, I can keep this channel going. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.